Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with a different type of videos. So these type of videos are very viral in YouTube. So I thought I'll also recreate. So this video is all about recreating the makeup look of your favorite YouTubers. So I have chosen this makeup look. So this makeup look is owned by Shruti Arjun Anand in her one of the makeup tutorial. So she claims that this is a college go makeup look for her with a very bright orange lip. So it's very nude everyday wearable makeup look. So I thought I want to recreate, so I have recreated her hairstyle as well. So I have tried my best to recreate Shruti Arjun Anand's makeup look. So if you want to enjoy this makeup look, how I recreated, what the products I have used, then keep on watching. I'm using a primer. In the video, Shruti has used the Nivea Men aftershave. I don't have that, so for that I'm using the ELF primer. This is also similar to that because it is also a gel based primer. So I just take a little half pump of that, massage it little, and I'm applying on the T-zone, especially where I tend to get oily. In this video, Shruti has a very soft makeup look, so I'm just recreating it across the finger. Hope I can. Foundation, I'm using my Maybelline's Dream Satin Skin Foundation, and I'm in the shade okay, I don't see the shade actually. Okay, whatever, yeah, P03. That's what my shade is. So I'm just take a little pump of that foundation and I'll just dot it all over my face and neck like that. The specialty of this video is Shruti has not used any brushes to blend out her foundation. So I'm just recreating the same thing. I'm not using any brush or puff to blend out my foundation today. The one more trick she has played here is to blend out the foundation using the fingers. She will apply the primer onto our fingers, then start massaging or blend out the foundation. So this makes the foundation stick to your face very nicely. You can see how nice and easily we are able to blend out the foundation. Be very gentle with your skin and the neck area as well. So this way you won't feel any patchiness and the foundation will last all day long. Shruti used the same foundation on her lid area as well, but for my lid it's a very pigmented, so I don't prefer using my foundation on my lid. So I'll just deviate a little bit on that. I'll be using my LA Pro concealer. So I'll just take a little on my fingers and I'll be applying onto my lid area. Not too much, very lightly, and also remaining I'll just place it under my eye area. Using my ring finger, I'll just blend out the concealer up to my crease. So you can use the foundation as Shruti prefer. If you don't have a very pigmented eyelid as mine, but mine I need some concealer on. My lid, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Compact in a powder puff. You can use any puff, powder or compact for this. It will make your eyes not creasing throughout the day. So make sure you will apply nice coat of powder under your eye area and also lid area to conceal nicely. Blush, she used a pinkish peach shade. So for that I have taken my Makeup Revolution blush palette and I'll be using this pink peach kind of blush. Again, she didn't use any brush over there. She used the same powder puff, so I'll be using the same one as well. I just take a little of blush onto the puff like that, dab the excess on back of my hand like that, and I'll be applying on apples of my cheeks. Applying the blush using the powder puff like this will make it very intense. The color will be very intense. So be very light-handed. Once you apply the brush, go back to your compact. Just take the other side of the puff, dab the compact like this and apply over the blush again. This will make the blush blend out very nicely. Can you see? It will reduce the intensity of the color as well. It just melts into your skin. First for the eyebrows, I am using my eye pencil. This is from the brand, I'm not sure, I just picked it when I'm in Saudi. So it has a quite little brush also, so I'll be using the same one to brush out my eyebrows, and I'll just fill up the gaps. Shruti has used the Revlon eye pencil to fill out her eyebrows, as it is a college makeup look. Using gel eyeliners or is not preferred. We want to be very simple and easily wearable makeup look. So I am just filling out the gaps with very light handed. Use the same brush. Shade for that I have taken my urbandecay palette, and this is the shade I'll be using. This is the exact shade what she used, and she just used one eyeshadow using her fingers. So I'm just taking the same color onto my fingers, and I'll be applying onto my outer V, and I'm just dragging it inwards. Just deposit the color where exactly you need it and just drag it inwards. And she used the liquid eyeliner, so I have taken my light dazzler liquid eyeliner. So I'll be just creating a winged eyeliner out of it. I'm using my Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. Even Shruti used the same thing in a video as well. So I'll be applying on my upper and lower waterline, sorry, lower lashes. I never didn't had anything on a waterline, lower waterline, or a lower lash line. So even I'm keeping it very simple. So let's move on to the lipstick. For the lipstick, she used the orange shade lipstick. So for that, I have used my Bella Waste chubby stick. It is in the shade 04. So I'll just apply it onto my lips now. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also comment below what type of video you want to see, any YouTubers makeup look or any celebrity makeup look. I'll be very happy to recreate all those. So thank you so much for watching this video again. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.